Welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 1 Exercises. Here we have a vocab exercise, and you can see the vocab here on the right. The list is getting longer, so please be carefully doing your flashcards and listening to the margin notes regularly, or these exercises will begin to become very challenging. So here we have blank flaminia est. Let's get this to work. Via Flaminia est inter Romam et Ariminum. So go ahead and try the rest of those, making sure that you put the correct form as well as the correct word. Exercise 2. These are our Latin questions. Ubi est via Latina? Where is the Via Latina? And the Via Latina inter Romam et Tusculum. It's in between Rome and Tusculum, or inter Romam et Capuam. That's where it ends. So let's say Via Latina inter Romam et Capuam est. Yes, Via Latina, and he put est in a different place, which is an alternate way of saying it. So either way is fine, but let's try to say it the way he did it. I'll cover it up. And ubi est Via Latina est inter Romam et Capuam. Okay, so let's try exercise 3. Okay, so Julius non blanquilla sed blank oppido venit. Here we have different forms of ob. Ob can either be ob or ah, and both of them mean the exact same thing, but ob shows up, as we see in the margin here, before a-e-i-o-u, a-e-i-o-u, and ha, and sometimes in front of h, and ah shows up before the other, well, a or ob show up before all the other letters. So in these exercises, let's just put ob in front of the vowels and ah in front of the consonants. So Julius non abuela sed ab oppido. Wila, because the V makes a soft sound, let's go back and I'll show you what would happen if we put in Awila. It also lets us do it, right? Because A or Ob works in front of the consonants. Opido. Okay, go ahead and try the rest of those, and let's go on to exercise 4. Here we have the accusative and ablative prepositions. So we have the prepositions that take the accusative: ad, ante, ad ante, post, inter, prope, circum, apud, and those prepositions that take the ablative: ab, ex, in, cum, sine. So what we need to do is put either the accusative or ablative ending depending on the preposition. So via Appia est inter Rom et Brundisi. So the answer here is inter Romam et Brundisium, the accusative forms. And here we have inter again, so those are going to be accusative forms. Circum is also one that takes the accusative, you see over here. So go ahead and try the rest of those. Let's look at 5. Qui, which means who, and quem, which means whom. And then we have qui and quos, same meaning, but in the plural. So the servi, the slaves who, oops, sorry, I typed in quo. The slaves qui, the slaves who carry the sacks are Cyrus and Leander. Okay, and I believe that may be our last exercise. Yes, it is. So go ahead and try the rest of those, and I'll see you in lesson 2. Bona fortuna.